Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends. Today, we're diving into everything we know so far about the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it's shaping up to be one of the biggest design and camera upgrades we've seen from Apple in years. From fresh new colors to a completely redesigned camera setup, and of course, the official launch timeline. Let's get into it. Let's start with design. Apple is reportedly going for a thinner and lighter build with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, possibly thanks to a new aluminum and glass hybrid frame, ditching the titanium that debuted with the iPhone 15 Pro series. This change could make the 17 Pro Max one of the lightest Pro Max iPhones ever. And yes, we're getting new colors too. According to recent supply chain leaks, we'll likely see desert titanium, navy blue, pale rose, and a possible return of midnight black. These colors will complement the premium matte glass and give users more variety than ever. Now the big one, the camera system. Apple is expected to completely redesign the camera bump on the Pro Max this year. Instead of the traditional square layout, we could see a horizontal camera visor style bar, similar to what we've seen on Pixel phones, but with Apple's unique twist. As for the specs, 48 megapixels main sensor, second gen with improved HDR and better low light, 48 megapixels ultra wide, 48 megapixels telephoto with improved 5x optical zoom. Next-gen image processing with Apple's A19 Pro chip. AI-powered features like smart scene detection and video focus tracking 2.0. Expect major improvements in portrait video, 8K recording, and night photography. Under the hood, we're getting the all-new A19 Pro chip, built on a 2nm process. It's rumored to be up to 20% more efficient and optimized for on-device AI, like real-time translation, smarter Siri suggestions, and AI photo editing tools. Battery life should also see an upgrade. Reports suggest a slightly thicker chassis will house a larger battery, possibly pushing battery life beyond the iPhone 15 Pro Max's already strong numbers. Also coming, reverse wireless charging. Faster MagSafe charging. USB-C speeds up to Thunderbolt levels on the Pro models. So when is it launching? The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to be revealed in mid-September 2025, most likely between September 10 to 12, with pre-orders starting that Friday and shipping the following week. Expect pricing to stay around the $1,199 to $1,299 range, depending on storage. What do you think of the new iPhone 17 Pro Max design and colors? Is Apple finally giving us the upgrades we've been asking for, or are they just reshuffling the same deck? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button if you're hyped for iPhone season, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our hands-on when it drops.